Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best lug wrenches available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is Craftsman Universal 4-Way Cross Lug Wrench. As an Amazon's Choice product and with 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 5,700 global ratings, the Craftsman Universal Cross Lug Wrench seems to live up to the hype with many desirable features. The tool has anti-slip handles, a 4-way cross style, and a 16-inch design, which, when put together, allows users to get a firm grip to deliver a ton of strength when working with tough nuts. As one customer confirmed, the extra length gives you a lot more torque, and the grips help on hot days when your palms might be sweaty. Beyond its anti-slip grip and ability to provide maximum leverage, this high-performance tool is also universal and designed with 4 socket heads to accommodate most lug nuts. The same customer went on to write that the tool covers all the common sizes and the sockets are deep enough to get over the ball cap on my lug nuts. Specifications: length, 16 inches. Socket sizes, 17 mm, 19 mm, 21 mm, and 22 mm. Weight, 3 pounds. The second product on list is GTE Tools Universal Lug Wrench Set. With its strong steel construction, the GTE Universal Lug Wrench Set is one of the most high-quality lug wrenches on our list. As one impressed buyer described, this is a strong, durable tool that is well thought out in its design. The tool is constructed so users can break it down for easy storage in their vehicle or toolbox, and this reliable tool also comes with a lifetime warranty for extra peace of mind. The wrench is universal and versatile. Not only does it include 3 different socket sizes to accommodate standard lug nuts, plus an adapter to fit any other lug sizes, but it also doubles as both an L-shaped lug wrench and a cross wrench, allowing users to get better leverage and providing maximum efficiency. In relation to its sturdy locking mechanism, one customer mentioned that the bar is cleverly designed to hold the sliding crossbar in place. Specifications: length, red bar, 13 inches, silver bar, 15 inches. Socket sizes, 17 mm, 19 mm, and 21 mm. Weight, 2.5 pounds. The third product on our list is EP Auto Telescoping Wheel Wrench. For vehicles with little trunk space, a standard cross wrench might not be easy to store, but the EP Auto Telescoping Lug Wrench will be a perfect fit. This tool comes with a storage bag and has a telescoping handle that collapses to 13 inches for convenient storage in any small space. As one customer mentioned, this wrench is great because it fits in the little storage compartment that my star wrench won't. While the tool makes for easy storage, when in use the handle can extend up to 19 inches for extra leverage. This product maintains extreme strength and durability since it is made from hardened chrome vanadium steel alloy. One user who needed the tool to loosen some extremely frozen, 15-year-old, rusted bolts, found that the wrench took care of these stubborn lug nuts and was able to handle a lot of pressure. Specifications: length, collapsed, 13 inches, fully extended, 19 inches. Socket sizes, 17 mm, 19 mm, 21 mm, and 22 mm. Weight, 2.29 pounds. The fourth product on our list is Automot 4-Way Cross Wrench. Chrome-plated tools tend to last longer as they don't end up rusty and corroded as other tools may. That is why the chrome plating on the EP Auto 4-Way Lug Wrench makes the product a great buy. It is also made from steel construction, forged, and heat-treated, providing a good amount of strength and durability to deal with tight lug bolts. As one customer reported, "I could not budge these lugs with a 17 mm socket wrench, and this lug wrench did the trick, easily." This tool allows for even more efficiency with its engraved say and metric socket sizes, allowing users to quickly find the right size socket for the job. At only 14 inches in size, this wrench is perfect for compact storage. As one customer mentioned, "This heavy chromed 4-way wrench fits in my trailer jockey box. It is small but heavy duty and will get the job done. Specifications. Length, 14 inches. Socket sizes, 17 mm, 19 mm, 21 mm, and 22 mm. Weight, 2.57 pounds. The fifth product on our list is AeroCM and half-inch drive click torque wrench. When using standard lug wrenches for tightening lug nuts, there is a lot of guessing that goes into the whole thing in order not to over-tighten the bolts. The AeroCM and wrench simplifies that process and allows users to set their torque from 10 to 150 feet to pounds with an accuracy error within plus or minus 4% and an easy-to-read laser scale. Many customers felt that they can trust the exact reading. Most notably, reviewers have raved that the product is extremely easy to use, and, as one customer confirmed, I simply listen for the click after I have set it to what I need, then I know to stop. I have no more worries. The set even comes with a durable storage box for convenient storing and protection. Specifications. Length, 17.2 inches. Socket sizes, 3/4 inch and 13/1 inch. Weight, 2.87 pounds. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.